Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off audio and sound effect in EA Sports FC mobile football game. If you want to play silently in public places, prefer listening to your own music while playing, or need to save battery or reduce distractions, then here is how you do it. First of all, open the EA Sports FC mobile football game on your Android or iOS device. Wait for the main menu to load, and once it does, click on the gear button at the top right corner. Now this will open up settings. From here, scroll down and look for audio. Click the pencil button right next to audio, and then you will see the audio menu. In order to turn off the music, swipe the white dot towards the left-hand side under Menu Music and keep it to low. You can also drag the Menu SFX option and keep it to low, and with this, you will be able to turn off the menu music and the menu SFX. If you want, you can also turn off all of the other options such as commentary, game SFX, home chants, player calls, etc. After you do that, you will not hear any kind of a sound whatsoever, and you can easily mute all the options like this and play without any kind of a sound or distraction. Best if you are trying to play quietly. So that's how you can easily turn off the sound effect and audio in the EA Sports FC mobile football game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.